right now there is a IDS na covered court. Na diri karon na lecture si Sir Yabo, ang former teacher atong high school. Na ilang subject karon nga PE, which is basketball. And I don't know kung saan siya nga section, but naka-uniform sila, nindot kayo naman. Look at this one. So right now, I think they're going to practice shooting the ball. I think lay up, no? So they're practicing how to lay up. So let us try to see kung saan naanin mga batanan eh. So these are the future of the Philippines, or Ligan City. So this is IDS. So nag-practice sila og shooting day, no? I thought it was a layup, pero practice sila shooting, jump shots. So kids, if you want to join the Integrated Developmental School, so nanin niyo ang PE tuhon if ever makasulod mo sa IDS. So strive hard and study hard so that makasulod mo sa IDS. And maraming hindot ang inyong future soon enough if you will go to college. So naman ang mga klase karon. Now, have you noticed na everyday lalayo color ang mga salina? So MSUID mag-is color coding ang mga salina sa mga faculty and staff. So every Monday we are wearing red, Tuesday kay green, so Wednesday kay blue, Thursday will be yellow, and Friday and Saturday any color na dayon. So by the way, no, so manaman akong classes, no, gawas, and I'm going somewhere over the rainbow. By the way, no, init kayong panahon karon. So init siya, but nindot, no? As you can see, ang sky is okay kay tanawon ng sky, clear sky. So that is why kita nyo karon na nag-inom ko pearl coolers. Tawag pearl coolers, surot naman ang pearl coolers na ako. So as a good citizen, mangitan tao trash can para ilabay ni siya, no? So let's go. Okay, so natin nakita ang trash can, dire na ito ilabay ito ang basura. So as a good citizen, dapat labay niyo sa basurahan, no? Proper basurahan. Karon masakay tao sa kanan dire, magulat pa sa loading and unloading area. So, as a good citizen also, you should follow traffic rules, no? So asa naka-designate ang loading and unloading area, siguro kita masakay. Okay? So ano siya tips? So, over and out. Hello again. So naako diri karon sa somewhere over the rainbow. By the way, no, pasensya lang mo, yesterday wala ko'y vlog. Was pretty exhausted, no. So kinahanglan og rest day. So karon ako naka-vlog balik. And I'll be visiting a friend, a dear friend right now. Diri tapit sa Iligan. Check na nindot kay neighborhood diri, no. Mingaw. Nice kay ipuyo diri. So you can see, no, sa akong luyo. Gan kay mga punuan. And though init siya pero windy, no. Very nice kayo. So kapit naman ng ilang balay dapit. So siya pakita na ako sa inyo. Dagan kay mga kalubihan diri. So siya. So mingaw kay karon kay hapon man. So later on, afternoon siguro mga 4 o'clock or 4 PM. So magawas atong mga chikiting. So mabibo na po diri, dagan na po mga kids na magdula. So na naman ko diri. So later on and out.
Ang duwa ka tuy-tuy.